Welcome, curious learners. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, needs and wants. Caroline and Tony are going to be our helpers so we can learn the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things we can't do without, things like food to fill our tummies, clean water to drink, clothes to keep us warm, and a cozy shelter to rest in. Wants, on the other hand, are things that make life more enjoyable and fun. Think of toys, cool gadgets, tasty treats, things that make us smile. So a couple things we need are food for our belly and clothing. Those go in the need bucket. But a yummy ice cream or a cell phone are things we want. They're not necessary for us to live. Sometimes we need to make choices because we can't have everything at once. So we must choose between a need like food or a want like the robot. So remember, understanding needs and wants helps us to make good choices. And we can even help others in need. Look at Koko sharing her sandwich with Tim. Isn't that kind? Koko is being a good friend. And remember to always be kind, even if someone doesn't have a new phone or the freshest pair of sneakers. Friendship is most important. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.